On my birthday month in August, I was contacted by an amazing company that creates a really high-end product, and they wanted to know if I would be willing to receive their product for free and try it out and just do, an unboxing and a review on it. And I'm also going to do a makeover on this. This is not furniture, and I have a set of two. I have to tell you, I've never done a makeover on this type of product before, but I am really looking forward to it. I know exactly what type of design I'm going to do. To move my table forward a little bit. It's kind of heavy. Okay, I'm gonna pull her down on the ground. I'm so excited to have this. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think this is? This reveal is going to be pretty exciting. I was really honored when this company reached out. What? Tell me what to do.
It's a thing underneath. It's like a laundry bag.
Sorry, you turn around.
It's on the bottom.
Oh, okay. My husband told me I had it upside down. So I was really excited when this company reached out because they are very well known and this product is super highly reviewed. And honestly, I have it in this category. I've never owned anything this nice. So I'm excited to share it with you and unbox it and see what I think. I'm really curious what you guys think it is. What do you think it is? We're gonna already find out. I do know this, it's yellow because I chose the color yellow. They had a few colors. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Is that color stunning or what? Ta-da! This is the level 8 Voyager suitcase set. I'm gonna put it down. Leave it on the ground. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Man, so I'm going to Ashes to Beauty, women's retreat here in about 2 weeks. And I'm gonna have this bad boy made over. Not that it needs a makeover, but they wanted to know if I would give their suitcase a makeover to show how things can be elevated, how you can incorporate, DIY designs on practically anything. So the fact that they would send me their incredible suitcases, has a little lock right here, and asked me to create a design for it, that was really, really exciting. I know exactly the paint that I'm going to use. That I'm going to use Kasha's paint, and it's being sent to me. I'm waiting on an order of that paint. Should be arriving here any day. So this is the set, and they have these in different colors. Let me get this little guy out of the way. Okay. So this is the check-in suitcase, and this is, I believe, the carry-on. Do you think I got that right?
Looks pretty big to be carry-on.
You think this is too big to be carry? I don't know. I mean, it's the check-in and carry-on set, I believe. I'm pretty sure this, I could be wrong, guys. I could be wrong. I believe that this is a carry-on. I mean, I could be wrong, maybe not. But I think so. All right, let's open it up. This little button right here, it took me a minute to figure out what to do. Louie can help me. this is really beautiful. Okay, so you have your, just your garment mesh. Wow, this fabric right here feels incredible. Very silky. Very nice. And then this, so all these different strap in, all these different pockets. I mean, definitely traveling in style, lots of durability, and with these looks, okay now, well, you might do a little zooming. Love that you have this little combination lock on it right here. Again, this is the Voyager set, level 8. Oh, so neat. Great wheels. These are absolutely beautiful. I am truly honored, level 8, for sending these. I mean, gorgeous colors. I love this color. And I love that they love the artistic and DIY community. As gorgeous as they are, I'm really looking forward to doing a design on these. And this is very textured. This is gonna hold Cautious paint super, super well. I'm gonna finish it off with a clear wax after I do the design on it. And that I'm gonna start today, so that is going to come in a few days. The makeover video, and then the final reveal. And when I go to my women's event in a couple of weeks, I feel like I am really going to be styling with my luggage. Thank you, Level 8.